Have you always wanted to be able to buy your dream home? To be able to spend time with your family as you please? Or maybe go on lavish trips? Or just get out of the 9 to 5? Well, I'm going to share with you the top 6 skills you should focus on developing this coming year if you want to become financially independent and work your way up to becoming a millionaire. So let's dig in! The number one skill is having an entrepreneurial mindset. Many rich people have an entrepreneurial mindset. They identify opportunities and create businesses that contribute to their wealth. Their mindset is always focused on creating or building the next new thing that can help them achieve their success. Entrepreneurs are innovators. They often seek innovative solutions to problems, embracing creativity and thinking outside the box to find unique approaches. An entrepreneurial mindset involves a willingness to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurs understand that some level of risk is inherent in pursuing opportunities and are prepared to manage and navigate uncertainties. They recognize opportunities when they come. They also have a knack for identifying opportunities in the market or gaps that can be filled with new products, services, or solutions. Being an entrepreneur means having a vision and setting goals. Having a clear vision of long-term goals is crucial. Entrepreneurs set ambitious goals and develop strategic plans to achieve them. Entrepreneurs are adaptable and flexible. They can pivot and adjust their strategies in response to changing circumstances, market trends, or feedback. Facing setbacks and failures is part of the entrepreneurial journey. An entrepreneurial mindset involves resilience and the ability to learn from failures, bouncing back with renewed determination. An entrepreneurial mindset also involves a commitment to continuous learning. Entrepreneurs stay informed about industry trends, market dynamics, and new technologies. Entrepreneurs have confidence in their abilities and ideas. This self-assurance is essential for taking risks, making decisions, and convincing others to believe in their vision. Entrepreneurs persistently work towards their goals, even faced with challenges. They maintain focus on the bigger picture and are driven by a sense of purpose. Taking ownership of outcomes, both successes and failures, is a key trait. They accept responsibility for the results of their actions and decisions. They also view failure as a learning opportunity. They analyze mistakes, gather insights, and use these experiences to improve and grow. Having an entrepreneurial mindset is not limited to starting a business. It can be valuable in various professional and personal contexts, fostering a proactive, innovative, and resilient approach to challenges and opportunities. So the number 2 skill is the ability to take on risks. Successful individuals often have a higher risk tolerance, enabling them to take calculated risks in business and investments. Successful people take risks in various ways as they navigate the uncertain and dynamic landscape of business. Here are several ways in which successful people embrace risk. Number 1, they start a business. The decision to start a business itself is a significant risk. Successful people often invest their time, money, and effort into creating something new with the understanding that success is not guaranteed. They bet on technology. Entrepreneurs, for example, in technology-driven industries, often take risks by adopting cutting-edge technologies such as in AI. Being early adopters can offer a competitive advantage, but it comes with risk of technology obsolescence or unforeseen challenges. Time and opportunity cost. Every successful person understands this involves an investment of their time. They take the risk of dedicating their time and skills to a particular project, potentially foregoing other opportunities and time spent with their loved ones. But balancing both is where the most success will come. They are willing to take market risk as well. The value of their investments can fluctuate due to market conditions. This risk is inherent in nearly all types of investments and is influenced by factors such as economic trends, interest rates, and geopolitical events, for example. Successful people also understand volatility risks. Volatility refers to a degree of variation of a trading price series over time. Investments in volatile assets can experience rapid and unpredictable price changes, leading to potential gains or losses. See, diversification of investments. Wealthy individuals diversify their investment portfolios, spreading risks across different asset classes to achieve a balance between growth and stability. Success comes from assessing and managing these risks through research, careful planning, and a willingness to adapt and learn from challenges that arise. The number 3 skill is continuing to learn. A commitment to continuous learning and education helps the wealthy stay informed about market trends, industry developments, and emerging opportunities. You see, successful people often prioritize continuous learning as a key element of their personal and professional development. Here are some ways in which they cultivate a commitment to learning. Number 1, the success comes from reading regularly. Successful individuals make a habit of reading, whether it's books, articles, ebooks, audiobooks, podcasts. They explore a variety of topics they enjoy to broaden their knowledge base. They attend workshops and seminars. Workshops, seminars, and conferences offer opportunities to learn from experts in a specific field. Successful individuals invest time in attending events that align with their interests and goals. I know a few people who have attended the Tony Robbins seminars and have only good things to say about it. They take online courses and certifications. The availability of online learning platforms has made it easier for successful individuals to acquire new skills. Enrolling in courses and pursuing certifications to stay current in your industry will give you a leg up over your competition. They often do a regular self-assessment of their progress. Successful people engage in regular self-assessment to identify areas for improvement. They set specific goals for learning and development, then track their progress over time. They like teaching others. Teaching is a powerful way to solidify one's understanding of a subject. Successful individuals often take on mentorship roles or engage in knowledge-sharing activities. They may start a YouTube channel, offer a coaching program. By incorporating these practices into their daily lives, successful individuals create a culture of continuous learning. They ensure they stay adaptable, relevant, and well-equipped to navigate the challenges of their respective fields. Now, the number 4 skill is that they are disciplined with their spending. You see, wealthy individuals exhibit discipline in spending, distinguishing between wants and needs and avoiding unnecessary or impulsive expenses. They have a budget. Successful individuals create and adhere to a budget. They allocate specific amounts to different expenses, categories, and ensuring that their spending aligns with their financial goals. As an example, they may allow for 60% towards their everyday living expenses and 40% of their income towards their savings goals. They differentiate between wants and needs. They prioritize spending on essential items and are mindful of discretionary expenses, avoiding unnecessary purchases. They have an emergency fund. Maintaining an emergency fund is a priority. Successful people recognize the importance of having a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses, reducing the likelihood of overspending during emergencies. They automate their savings. Automating savings ensures that a portion of your income is set aside before discretionary spending. This disciplined approach helps individuals consistently save and invest for their future. They compare prices and like a bargain. Who doesn't love a bargain? Seeking value for money is a common practice. Successful individuals compare prices, they look for discounts, and they're not afraid to negotiate when making significant purchases. They prioritize quality over quantity. Successful individuals often prioritize quality over quantity. They may invest in higher quality items that are more durable and provide better long-term value rather than opting for cheaper, short-lived alternatives. They also avoid debt. Successful people are mindful of debt and avoid accumulating high-interest debt. They manage credit responsibly and make efforts to pay off outstanding balances to minimize interest payments. They practice delayed gratification. Successful individuals practice delayed gratification. They're willing to forego immediate pleasures for long-term financial stability and success. By incorporating these practices into their financial routines, successful individuals maintain discipline in their spending, allowing them to allocate resources effectively toward achieving their financial objectives. So the number 5 skill you want to focus on is focusing on having multiple income streams. Diversifying your income streams beyond a primary source of income is a common strategy helping to mitigate risk and increase your overall financial stability. Successful individuals are skilled at identifying new opportunities for income generation. They stay informed about market trends, emerging industries, and investment possibilities. They engage in entrepreneurial ventures. They may start and run their own businesses, creating a primary source of income while allowing for the potential growth of additional revenue streams. Successful individuals invest wisely to generate passive income. This may include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other financial instruments that provide dividends, interest, or capital gains. They invest in real estate. Real estate investments such as rental properties or real estate development can provide a steady stream of income. They invest in stocks and dividends. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows successful individuals to earn a regular income through dividends while benefiting from potential stock price appreciation. They have an online presence. They explore online ventures as an e-commerce affiliate, marketing, or creating digital products to generate additional income. They offer consulting or coaching services. Offering consulting services or coaching in areas of expertise is a common way for successful individuals to diversify their income while sharing their knowledge. Creating passive income streams such as royalties from books, music, or licensing agreements allows successful individuals to earn money while having minimal ongoing effort. Strategic partnerships. Forming strategic partnerships with other businesses or individuals can open doors to new income streams. Collaborations can lead to joint ventures, revenue sharing agreements, or co-developed products. Successful individuals carefully manage their time and resources to maintain a balance between their primary income source and additional streams. They leverage their skills, knowledge, and networks to create a diversified portfolio of income streams that collectively contribute to their financial success. So the number 6 skill you want to focus on is your health and well-being. Many wealthy individuals prioritize their health and well-being. Recognizing the importance of physical and mental fitness is sustaining long-term success. They prioritize daily exercise. Successful individuals often incorporate regular exercise into their routines. Whether it's a daily gym session, outdoor activities, or team sports, exercise is prioritized for its physical and mental health benefits. They focus on having a healthy diet. Maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is a priority. Successful individuals are mindful of their food choices, focusing on a diet that provides energy, supports overall health, and enhances cognitive function. They get adequate sleep. Prioritizing sufficient and quality sleep is crucial for overall well-being. Successful individuals recognize the importance of restorative sleep for cognitive function, mood, and overall productivity. They find stress management techniques. Successful individuals actively manage stress through various techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, exercises, mindfulness, or other relaxation methods. They understand the impact of stress on both physical and mental health. They have a work-life balance. Striking a balance between work and personal life is important. Successful individuals understand the significance of downtime, leisure, and spending time with family and friends to recharge and maintain a healthy work-life balance. They set healthy boundaries. Successful individuals set clear boundaries to protect their time and energy. They understand when they say no to commitments, they may compromise their health or well-being. They also incorporate mindfulness and meditation. Incorporating mindfulness practices and meditation into your daily routine helps individuals manage stress, improve focus, and enhance overall mental well-being. They engage in activities that contribute to personal development, such as learning new skills or pursuing hobbies, is really important for mental stimulation and overall life satisfaction. They have strong social connections as well, so nurturing your positive social connections is crucial for mental health. Successful individuals prioritize spending time with friends and family, fostering meaningful relationships. While these traits are often associated with wealthy individuals, it's important to note that each person's path to success is unique and individual circumstances may widely vary. So additionally, ethical considerations and a commitment to contributing positively to society are important aspects of your wealth building journey. So So I want to thank you guys for watching the 6 truths you want to focus on in the coming year if you want to become a millionaire. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. I will see you guys next year and wish you guys all the health, wealth, and happiness.